Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if your favorite phrase, "oh, I have no idea," then you're gonna have hard time in trading. As I believe trading is all about ideas. Okay? But where do we get ideas from? Well, from knowledge and experience. Okay? Every idea you have today is based on something you have seen, experienced, right? So the more information you collect, the better idea you are able to come up with. Ideas, they are most likely to work out well, right? So guys, today we are going to trade the Nasdaq index, right? The USTECH100, and I'm going to show you how to execute a good idea, right? So let's get right into it.
Guys, we had a huge dip at market open. We didn't really get any long opportunity. Alright, actually we had the first long above 17,600. Right, so right there I took a long, and as soon as broke this support I got out. As you can see, this was our support. Bounced, okay, pumped, I couldn't save any points, and I let her go, and I was watching it, right? So we are at 17,470, and as I shared on the Telegram channel just right now, going to enter a long above 17,500 right there. So 17,500, 510, it was our key level shared on the Telegram channel, and I just shared right now that expecting a pushback to this area right here, right, 575.80 key level, right? Guys, we're gonna wait until it breaks back above 17,500, right? I'm going to trade with 2 contracts maximum. Let's put 4 contracts, right? So we're gonna wait until it breaks back above 17,500. We're gonna check if it tries to hold, and we are going to try to ride it back up to 570, right? Patiently we're gonna wait 17,500, and I will be back when we are ready to take the trade. Right guys, we are at 17,490. Going to prepare my contracts with a 30 point stop loss. We are going to go, guys, and we're not gonna enter only if breaks back above 500, right? So we're gonna enter a position above 500, and if goes well, we're gonna enter another position we add, right? Let's see. Right now is a short opportunity, right? As we are below our key level, this you can assume it was a rejection, but I believe as we fell quite a lot from market open, it's time to pull back, right? So higher chance that is going to give us a pullback and fall back down, right, to this area. Okay, but let's see how it's going to work out, right? Of course, we assume, we watch the price, and we act. All right, there we go. 97. Right guys, so first long entered here right at 501. So our stop loss is at 470 right at this button, right? We are going to add more if breaks above 510. We are going to add another position, right? This could be a high probability trade for a 40 points, 30-40 points we are looking to take from this trade if works out, of course. Otherwise we are taking our loss, right? So far goes well as expected. Just break above 500. As soon as we break above 510, going to enter another position, right? So 4 contracts in total. The margin of 4 contracts is about $350, right? I mean the margin required by broker. As you can see, 2 contracts, the margin required is $175, right? Right, as we said above 510, we're gonna add another position, right? And we are trying to ride it to 570 area, 565. We have to take in consideration the 550 as well, right? Because often rejects. But we are trying to ride it to 575.80 area, right? Hopefully we're gonna take a short back down from there. Okay. Right, there is another long position, as we said, 510, right? And now let's see if this going to work out. It's still a short. If reject below this area, could be a short, but I believe it's going to pull back to the upside, right? Let's see. Now the only thing, 500 should hold for us, or at least to not lose the 490, right? The new hourly candle just opened, right? So this could take us up at least to 50%, half of this previous candle, right? So we could get out with profit, or as you can see, this could even be a higher low, right? You can see it's still uptrending. Okay, yes, that we had that huge fall, we could have catch nice some short. I'm sure that some of you managed to catch, okay, but as you can see, this is still a long opportunity, right? Nicely uptrending, and this could be a higher low, right? But let's see if it's going to hold that 500 area and our stop loss going to save us. Okay, if not, we have to change plan, right? Right, guys, so let's ride this. We want this to get back to retest back to 570 area, at least to 550, right? And this could give us that 30-40 points. Okay, right, guys, there is the push. We got a nice push that we already up nice 20 points, 25 points from the first entry, right? As you can see, the hourly, it's just pulled back. So what we can do right now, just to feel safe, right, and to don't do that mistake that we have a good entry and it's going to take us out in a loss, right? What I usually do is I pull my stop loss closer, right? So in case this hourly candle turns back red and starts to fall, right, I want to be out. Okay, so going to put my stop loss to 490. We're gonna change the stop loss to 490. So we pulled 20 points here. Right, so our loss on this in case turns back is $23. Okay, and on this one as well, we're gonna put at 490. So we reduce the risk. Okay, so that's what we can do. Of course, we can take this $75. Okay, it's very good. With 4 contracts, $80, that's 20 points, right? So we just pull the stop loss to 490, right below this bullish candle. Okay, so basically here is our stop loss. So in case we test 500, we are still safe, but we don't want to lose 500. Okay, let's see if we can get at least 550 before this stop. We are going to close out, and $100, it's fair enough. As you can see, it's $350 the margin required by the broker. So if you have a 2000 account, $100 you made in 5 minutes, right? 10 minutes. So our loss will be $65, and the profit we are looking to take at 550, another 20 points, that would be around $110, right? We need a nice push, guys, and we are going to get out. Let's see the price action. It looks promising. We are $90 up, $85, $90. Nice push into 50, and we are going to close it, and we're gonna wait if we can take a short here. If not, we are done for the day, right? Or we're gonna check it later, and if it gives some opportunity, we are going to take it. Right now the target is to hold above 500 so we can get a nice push. Okay, just expecting this, after this fall, a pullback, and then from there to come back either down and again bounce back up, and probably is going to take over to the upside. Now for this trade, we are just looking to take this bounce back up after this fall, right? Of course, it's very hard to say when to get out, alright? So always say 30-40 points is a realistic target. However, if you are experienced, of course you are going to hold it if you see the price action and the buying pressure, right? And you feel that it's out of the danger of falling back, right? Of course you can hold it. Alright guys, so that's 532. We are already 30 points up. I'm going to sell here. Okay. And we just made $100, right?
Right, guys, so if you are a beginner, I suggest you take that 30-40 points, right? You must lock profits, okay? Especially with small accounts, right? Don't try to hold it, build experience first, spend time on the market. You are going to put it together and you're going to feel it when you can hold longer, right? Guys, hope you managed to catch this trade, okay? And I hope to see you in the next video, right? Going to leave a link in the description. If you are new here, okay, join us on the Telegram channel. Cost you nothing. I'm sharing the trade ideas, okay, my view on the stock market, on indices, and the analysis, the daily analysis on the Nasdaq and the DAX index, right? So use the information. Thanks guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.